Hey guys, welcome back. This week's tutorial is going to be about how they make the intro effect in my for my channel. There was a lot of requests for it, and I could not do it because I was on vacation for the last three weeks, and I just get back from it. So I'm back, and I have like thousands, hundreds of requests. I'm not sure how to process all these requests, but I'll do my best. Anyway, today that's what I'm gonna be showing you. It's how to do this title here, which probably you already saw it at the beginning. Let me just show it to you again. And all the animation and the particle forming and all that, it's all made in Element 3D. And Max was used just to fractal the object. I could have only used particle and stuff like, but it's gonna take forever to render, and I rather use just Element 3D for this kind of stuff, which takes like mostly for a project like this like 5 minutes to render. So let's get to it, guys. First I'm gonna create text. W as 12, and I'm gonna just zero it out. Okay, you barely can see this color, so I'm gonna, that's why I have this part here. There you go. I'm gonna just use the word max. And I'm gonna change the font to something more fancy, and I like this one. Let's add the bevel to it, and I'm gonna set it to 1 for 2. I'm gonna set it to, yeah, this is good, maybe 30. And the bevel 3, I'm gonna set it to 1 and -1. Respect 3 font, that's what we got. Next, what I need to do, I'm gonna use, there is two methods. There is the ray fire, so you can use the cubic ray fire, or you can use the line method, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm gonna grab a lot of lines. My mouse, it's not working. I need a new one. Maybe 8. Make sure they are all crossing your geometry. That's really a very important thing. Maybe 30. Almost. Yeah. This one over here, and bring this one a little bit. Okay, now go to the top and grab some lines. And I just duplicate my text here. Okay, I'm gonna hide it, and I'm gonna freeze this text here. I'm gonna grab the bottom lines, and I'm gonna apply an extrude to them. And I'm gonna raise it up. So I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, I'm gonna select these two planes. I'm gonna freeze them. I'm gonna select all the other lines, other lanes, and apply an extrude to them too. And maybe erase it. bring it in. Alright. Now I'm gonna freeze all. Freeze back my text. Select one of the planes, convert to an editable poly, and attach. Control A. Now you have all your planes in one object. Now unfreeze all. Go to the font. I'm changing this to shaded. Now go to standard primitives and go compound object. Select the Pro Cutter. Make sure you check auto extract mesh and explode by array. Make sure you are selecting the planes first. You have the plane selected. Under cutter parameters, check the stack inside cutter. Next, pick stack object and pick your text. So that's all that you need. Next, I'm going to select this and break it. Now we got our text. And hide all. Okay, now I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to show you the other method. This is using Rayfire. Where is it? Here it is. Rayfire. I'm going to add this one. Go to fragment, change it to a slice bricks. And you get each square here is 10 centimeter here. So I'm going to just set it to 10. And make sure that all the wrong one first. I need to slice bricks. I'm gonna set it all to 10 X, Y, and Z. And I'm gonna push fragment, and it might take a while. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take. Usually it depends. Sometimes seconds, sometimes a minute. So I'm gonna hit fragment and pause the video. Okay, the fragmentation is done. It took like 10 seconds. And now you got two kinds. You got this one and this one, and you gotta just choose which one you want. I think I might take this one here, but this one has a lot of parts, so it might take longer. Let's see how much. 842, that's not bad. So I'm gonna delete those. I'm not gonna delete them, I'm gonna just keep them. But what you need to do, I'm gonna close Rayfire here. And it seems like nothing is responding. I'm gonna pause the video again and hope that Max responds. Well, it did respond before I close it. So I'm gonna select all of these fragments. Okay, I'm gonna select all of these fragments and export. Selected as an OBJ and my Max. Save. Yes. And preset is set it to none. Export. Done. For this one here, if you wanna use the one from this one, make sure when you select all of these and go to Effect Pivot Only and Center to Object. That's a really crucial step that you need to use, because if you don't, when they move, they will move all in the same direction. So now I'm gonna jump to After Effects. Control New, Control Y, go under Video Copilot. Oh, one more thing. Make sure you select all of your objects here and assign material to them. Because if you don't, when you import them in Element 3D, it's gonna have like thousands of plates, materials, samples. So I'm gonna select all my objects again, and I'm gonna export them again. Save, yes. Export. Just take just a second. Done. Go back to next. Grab Element 3D. scene setup, import Max OBJ, open it. And here it is. I'm gonna apply just regular chrome material to it. Here you can be as artistic as you want and just put any materials, or you can make your own. It's really self-explanatory here with textures. If you have textures that you want to apply, you gotta just check this button here and you can set them up. But there is a lot of tutorial about how to use Element 3D in on Video Copilot, so you guys can check them out there, and then he explained them better than anybody else. So I'm gonna put my Max here. I'm gonna cancel. I'm gonna duplicate it, duplicate my model. I'm gonna set the second one to group 2, and that's all I need to do. Click OK. Second, I'm gonna create a camera. Control Shift Alt plus C. That's what's gonna give you the camera. And for the camera, I'm gonna just pull it over here. Okay. Maybe 180. Push P to grab the position and put a key on it. Now, click over here. And turn it maybe up like this. So this place goes like this. Okay. Well, that's good enough here. Now I'm gonna go to my black solid here. Under animation engine, I'm gonna enable it. I'm gonna set a key here at 0. Set a key here at 180 and set it to 100%. I'm gonna give it a randomness of 10. And the rest there. Yeah, you can play with those. I'm gonna do, so initially I'm gonna change it from directional to radial. For group 1, go under particle lock and enable multi-object. Next is go down to the scatter. I'm gonna start scattering our pieces. This is in the Z space and in the Y. Let's say probably A. I'm gonna put 80 for each one of them. Okay. I'm going to displace them too. I'm going to give them 40 for each axis. Maybe that's a lot. 25, 25, 25. Scatter them and give it 0. One more thing, give it a rotation randomness too. And now I'm gonna just play it and see what you're gonna get. I'm gonna just pause the video and let it record the frames. Okay, and that's what we got here. Which is really awesome that we are able to do this stuff in After Effects. I'm really enjoying this Element 3 plugin. Next, what you can do is obviously you can start enhancing it. What the first thing that I recommend that you really do is you enable your motion blur, and under rendering setting, just choose one of the lighting that you want. Usually use the cinema one, but it doesn't look like it's doing anything right now. Let's say that one. No, nothing. Right? Nope. Oh, it's the environment here. What is it using? Maybe I need to set up the environment here. Let's see setup. Let's set it cinematic, stylized. Okay, because of the currency, we really didn't see much of that. What else? Lightning, set cinema. What else? The ambient occlusion too plays a bigger role. Can't see it at the end, but here you can see it. So I'll just up the intensity a little bit. 4. That's motion blur here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna up the samples to 10, and I'm gonna set create Bloxy movie. I'm gonna use PNG sequence. Let's click OK. Now render. Render in Bloxy. It won't take long to render, as you can see here. Okay. And that's what we get here, which is really, I think it's a cool way to present your plugins, your logos. Next, why I did the Bloxy, so you can, if you wanna, this is the final look that you're looking for. There's no reason for you to keep working on this camp, so just create a new camp here. Camp 2, I'm gonna put camp 1 in it. So as you can see, it plays nice here. And one more thing is, usually you need to copy your camera and bring it over here, Control C, Control V. So if you added particle and stuff or anything, they'll be aiming at the same camera. And that will be it, guys. This is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new. And as usual, subscribe, like, comment, and spread the word, guys. We'll see you in the next week, and I'm working on a lot of new tutorials, so I hope you guys will get a lot from these tutorials. Thank you.